Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin with opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now you need to click on those two lines at the bottom right corner and choose Settings. Then click on I accept and manage all of those settings however you wish to. Now finally, when you finished, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. Over here you need to click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Choose Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options. I will go with Home Screen only. Now when I swipe up and click on Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!